Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI avatar in HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and open the main dashboard. From the dashboard, start a new video project and look for the avatar options. Select the AI avatar feature to open the available avatar library. Here, you'll find different virtual presenters with various appearances and presentation styles. Browse through the available options and choose an avatar that matches the type of video you want to create. After selecting your avatar, add the script that you want the avatar to speak. You can type your script directly into the editor and organize it according to your video scenes. Next, choose an AI voice for the avatar. Select the language and voice that best fit your content. If additional voice settings are available, adjust them to make the presentation sound more natural. Now customize the avatar video by selecting a suitable background and adding any text or visual elements you need. You can also adjust the layout and positioning of the avatar on the screen. Before generating the video, preview your project carefully. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, and overall appearance. If everything looks good, generate the video and wait for HeyGen to process it. Once processing is finished, preview the completed video and make sure the final result looks the way you want.